On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm sharing an honest NOBULL training shoes review with my thoughts on the sizing, the quality, and the performance of the NOBULL Outwork training shoes. And to be clear, this is not sponsored. And at the end of the video, I'll also share the best model of NOBULL shoes for men, for women, for CrossFit, for lifting, for wide feet, for nurses, for pickleball, for walking, and for squats. So, are NOBULL shoes worth it? Let's jump in and find out. And to save you time, I've included timestamps to all the questions and answers in the description below. Honest NOBULL Outwork training shoes review. So for today's sneaker review, I bought the OG NOBULL Outwork training shoe in the white colorway, since this model suits my training needs best, and I'll share why in just a bit. So up until now, I've never tried NOBULL shoes before. So when selecting my pair, I chose the men's NOBULL Outwork low top in the white colorway. So it was a toss up between this and the men's low top black gum NOBULL Outwork, which seems to be the more popular colorway. However, based on my own personal preferences, I prefer white shoes over black shoes. So the white and black NOBULL men's Outwork training shoe is also available in the high top version, but once again, my personal preference is low top. So for the last 3 months, I've been wear testing them in the gym. So based on my experience, are the NOBULL shoes good and were they worth it? Let's jump into the review. So what are NOBULL Outwork training shoes designed for? Are they suitable for weightlifting, for running, or for both? The NOBULL Outwork training shoes are designed for a combination of strength training and HIIT workouts. So I classify them as a cross trainer, as they offer a good blend of stability, support, and durability for a variety of workouts. So I like them for weightlifting due to the low heel to toe drop of 4 millimeters. This improves the stability by providing a solid, stable, and grounded base required for squats, deadlifts, and other heavy lifts. They also have a firm, sturdy, and grippy sole, which provides good traction and support for quick, multi-directional movements during HIIT training. However, even though they could handle short runs and sprints, they wouldn't be my go-to choice, as they are not designed with enough cushion for running. So if you're looking for a versatile cross-training shoe for both weightlifting and functional fitness, the NOBULL Outwork is a great choice, but for running, I'd recommend you go with a dedicated running shoe. How comfortable are the NOBULL Outwork training shoes? So the NOBULL Outwork training shoes provide solid foot lockdown with some cushioning. However, it's obviously not as plush as running shoes, since it was designed specifically to stabilize the body during weightlifting and functional workouts, not long distance running. So the midsole cushioning is adequate for comfort during most exercises, but for extreme high impact activities like plyometrics, you might prefer the NOBULL Impact training shoe, as it is a more cushioned option, better suited for plyometrics. However, overall, I don't notice any issues with the comfort when wearing them during my strength lifting workouts. It's also important to note that they don't include any significant built-in arch support, so if you have flat feet or specific foot issues, adding custom insoles could make these shoes a better fit. So are the NOBULL Outwork training shoes breathable? So the NOBULL Outwork training shoes feature a breathable mesh upper that helps with airflow to keep your feet cooler during intense workouts. The material is designed to wick moisture, so your feet should stay relatively dry even during sweaty, heavy sessions. However, if you really have sweaty feet like me, or you do long, high-intensity workouts in extreme heat, your feet will still get sweaty. But overall, for most gym activities, they do a solid job of keeping your feet cool and dry. So how durable are the NOBULL Outwork training shoes? Do they show signs of wear quickly? So the NOBULL Outwork training shoes are built to be extremely durable. The super fabric upper resists scuffs, stains, and abrasions, which makes it simple to clean them with a damp cloth if needed. And the outsole is reinforced with high traction rubber to ensure grip and stability even in demanding conditions. So whether you're lifting heavy weights or doing HIIT, these shoes are built to withstand the wear and tear of intense training. And I've been wear testing them for 3 months, and to date they have held up over time even with consistent heavy use. So the NOBULL Outwork training shoes fit and sizing review. So do the NOBULL Outwork training shoes run big or small, or are they true to size? So since NOBULL shoes are primarily sold on their website, it's important to know how they fit before you order them. So before I ordered my pair, I noticed most creators said the NOBULL Outwork training shoes generally fit true to size. So based on this, I decided to go with a size 10.5. Unfortunately, when they arrived, the 10.5 was too small, as I found they fit a little bit snug in the toe box. And if you have wider feet like me, you may also find them a little tight, especially around the midfoot. So based on this, I submitted an online exchange request and was happy to see that they quickly replaced my 10.5 pair with a size 11 at no extra cost to me. And they even mailed out the new pair before they even received the other pair. So to be safe, if you have a wider foot, I would recommend ordering a half a size up, especially since they won't stretch a lot on the foot. So NOBULL Outwork versus Reebok Nano versus Nike Metcon training shoes. So over the years, I've trained in numerous pairs of Reebok Nanos and Nike Metcon training shoes. So how does the NOBULL Outwork training shoes compare in terms of training performance and price? So Reebok Nanos have been one of my favorite cross-training sneakers, especially the earlier models. They provide good comfort, stability, foot lockdown, and a wider toe box. They're priced at $120, however, you can usually find them on sale. However, from a design perspective, they just aren't my favorite. And Nike Metcons also provide good stability, and I like the design. However, in the past, I found they didn't have as good foot lockdown as the Nanos, and they are a little narrower on my wide feet. They're also priced at $150 and do go on sale. However, it's not usually as good of a sale price as the Reebok Nanos. Now, I really like the durability of the NOBULL Outwork shoes, as I feel they will last a long time. And they also have good stability and foot lockdown. However, they do feel a little narrow on my wide feet. So they are priced at $139.99, which is in between the price of the Nano and the Metcon. Are NOBULL Outwork training shoes worth the price? So in my opinion, the NOBULL Outwork training shoes are worth the price if you prioritize durability, versatile performance, and a sleek, minimalistic design. So since they are built with a super fabric upper, they're highly resistant to wear and tear, making them a great long-term investment for intense training. And performance-wise, they also provide a solid grip and feel very stable during weightlifting. On the downside, they may feel a little stiff during your initial wear and may fit snug if you have wider feet. So overall, they're great for weightlifting. However, if you're looking for one training shoe for lifting and running, these are not designed with the proper cushioning for long distance running. However, if durability and stability matters to you most, the NOBULL Outwork training shoe is a great option for you to consider. So are you wondering which model of NOBULL training shoes is best for your needs? So if you're brand new to the NOBULL brand, you may be overwhelmed by all the following different models of shoes: the NOBULL Journey, the Impact, the Drive Mesh and Drive Knit, the All Day Ripstop, the High Top shoes, the Court Trainer, and the Rex. But don't worry, because I got you covered. Here are the best NOBULL training shoes based on your specific needs. For wide feet, I would go with the NOBULL Impact, as it is generally the most accommodating for wider feet due to its slightly wider fit and higher forefoot and midfoot volume. For CrossFit, the NOBULL Outwork or Impact is ideal for CrossFit with its stability and flexibility during dynamic workouts. For lifting, the NOBULL Outwork or Impact provides excellent support and a flat sole, making it ideal for weightlifting. For squats, the NOBULL Outwork or Impact is also great for squats due to its stable base and solid grip. For running, the NOBULL Journey is a lightweight, responsive, and breathable shoe designed for speed and distance racing. And for pickleball, the NOBULL Court Trainer is the best choice for pickleball, as it offers stability and traction for quick lateral movements. For walking, the NOBULL All Day Ripstop or All Day Knit provides all-day comfort and support for walking. And for nurses, the All Day Ripstop and All Day Knit is a solid choice for nurses, since they are comfortable and durable for long hours on your feet. So question of the day, let me know in the comments, have you ever worn a pair of NOBULL training shoes? If so, which model did you buy? And if you found this post helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to our Live Lean TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. So now I want you to go check out this post right here, where I share what are the best overall workout sneakers. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.